Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be trying to teach and explain to you what are the basic mistakes that all the beginners are making and stopping them becoming a profitable trader. So if you're a beginner, make sure that you'll watch this video till the end of it, so you may save your 6 months or even a year. So the first step is actually understanding what we are doing. So if you want to become a trader, it doesn't matter if you want to be a Forex trader, crypto trader, the basics are all the same. So there are some buyers and there are some sellers. And we will try to guess where the price will move. Is it going to be accumulate? Is it going to be an uptrend or a downtrend? And the second important thing is actually becoming a consistent profitable trader that you want to become. It will take 2 years overall for most of the traders. And some of the best traders you may heard like they have become profitable in 3 years or 4 years. It's not same for everyone, but these are the average numbers for the traders. And the other thing is that if you have started trading for making some easy money or side hustle, you will be ending by blowing up your account. And remember, let's say you are trading Forex. Sometimes there are nearly $6 trillion are being moved in the market, which means very high volatility and the liquidity. And there is no second leg in this game, which means you are going to be trading against the best traders and the hedge funds in the world. So instead of making money, you will be ending up by becoming a liquidity for the market, which means you'll be giving money to the market and these people and the banks. So we need to be aware of what we are doing. We need to have some experience and knowledge before entering this trading arena. So in today's video, I will not going to be going step by step. I will open my charts and I will show you my live trade, and I will take all of these in one. So these 5 topics actually are very wide topics to talk about. So we can make one video for each of them because they are very wide topics. So in today's video, I'm not going step by step. I will take it as a whole. I will talk for each of them and I will try to make examples on my live trade. So now we have understand that how the things are being done and what we are doing. So very common mistake that most of traders are making is seeing so many different kind of strategies on the social media, especially even because of some of the reels that you are seeing. For example, it might be a trading AI bot, some ICT, SMC kind of strategy patterns, right? Some trade line tradings. You see many different kind of strategies. So first of all, nearly all the strategies are working. There is no issue, but you need to have enough experience to understand when is that strategy is actually working. And even if you have some accurate perfect strategy, it's not going to be enough by itself. There is going to be involving some psychology, risk management, and also emotion management when you put the trade or while inside of the trade. So all of these are different things. And all of these things are being learned time by time. Even if you know that you have to manage your psychology or fear, you will make some mistakes. But as much as you lose, you will start more understanding the market and you will be taking your actions more carefully. Here's my last trade. Before talking about this, we have said trying multiple different kind of strategies. So for an example, there are ICT traders, SMC traders, harmonic traders, ABCD patterns, trade line tradings, etc. I will give you the secret now. All of these strategies that you are seeing on the social media, most of them are working, but they are working in few scenarios, and understanding at what cases they are actually working needs an experience. So I will keep talking about trying multiple strategies as a beginner from here. So that's why after taking 2 wrong trades by that strategy or something, you will think like it's not working and jumping into the another to another. And this is making you not actually learning that strategy. You are just trying that strategy in a right way or in a wrong way. The most accurate thing that you need to actually do, but each strategies and tactics take some time to actually learn and understand. Stick to only one strategy. Make a journal. After 10 or 20 trades, see how many winnings and losings you do have, and try to watch and see the actual profitable traders, how they are using that strategy and how is it actually works for them, except only trying it by yourself. After learning and experiencing it, go for the other strategies. You can learn all. It's not bad to learn many different kind of strategies. It will give you an knowledge, and it's actually required as well. As a trader, you need to know the price action, you need to know the liquidity or price action, side liquidity, etc. etc. Of course, you need to know other strategies and the basics in the market. what is RSI, what is AMA, what is support and resistance or supply and demand area, liquidity, price action, so many different kind of things that of course you have to know. Where we are coming to the last topic, patience. It will take time. And also a belief that ICT is not working, SMC is not working, whatever. Everything is working, but you need to know when to use them. So I'll be giving you an example from my trade. In this trade, I have used external high liquidity concept. I have used supply and demand area. I have used the sessions and their lows and highs. Like how? This high is London high. So the price so even the external high liquidity is being taken in the backside. The London session might want to keep increasing and take the London high before making a huge downfall. So I put my stop loss a little bit above of the London high. Then I took my take profit very close to the Asia low liquidity. But why I haven't put my take profit exactly at the level of Asia low liquidity? Because there's an order block in the higher time frame. So all of these things are actually knowledge and experience. I have used SMC, market structure shifting. I have separated my trade by 2. I have separated my trade 0.5 to 0.5 to do take profit 1 and take profit 2. Why? Because the price might bounce at this take profit 1 level and reverse. Because of the New York sessions character, I know that it might be a manipulating area or a fake change of character. But the thing is that I have a side liquidity and it might reach till the end of take profit that at this level. And another things, I know that you are literally not understanding anything, but this is the real trading in live markets that the people are doing. So I know that you're not understanding anything at all. I'm not trying to confuse your mind, but this is a live real trade. And this needs to give you an idea of what I was doing when I was trading live with this level of knowledge, or how could I even thought about entering this trading arena. I'm not trying to scare you. There is nothing to be scared of if you are doing the things right. But here is what I am doing is that trying to show you the reality of trading. There are even more things actually in this trade. For an example, I am not using RSI in most of the cases, but I know that between 30 to 70 that the price is more likely to go for a huge buy or a huge sell. Another thing, I have used support and resistance at this level. I have used price action, market structure shifting at this point. This is a smart money concept for an example. And then a 15-minute supply area, which can be counted as ICT, but not so as well at the same time. So I calculated where to put my stop loss. I have calculated where to put my take profits, and all of these things are being calculated. You need to know enough information, enough experience. You need to know where to put your stop loss and take profit. A lot of different kind of things. So before entering to the market directly, you need to have enough knowledge and experience, as I said multiple times in the beginning of the video. And the third thing is that risking more than 1 or 1.5% of your account in only one trade. You cannot risk more than 1 or 2% of your account in only one trade. Trading is a game of probability and numbers. So if your win rate is low, risking more percentage will also lead you to lose your account. And also it will be breaking your psychology at some point as well. For an example, you were risking even more than 2% and then you had a losing streak, which might be happen to anyone in this industry. So you have lost 5 times in a row. And then you are keep trading and you want to keep trading. It's your 6th trade. In your mind, you want to take all the losses you have gotten in the markets. You want to get back all the losses you have lost. And also you might not have enough courage to open the 6th trade after losing 20% of your account. It might break your psychology, which is another thing. Because the brain cannot accept losing. As a human, it's really hard to accept your loss and then you won't take it back. But in trading, we have to rule our emotions and our risk. Otherwise, there is no differences than gambling. So after all these topics, I hope now you have understand how the real trading and the market is working. And it's fun that even you know that you need to have psychology and risk management. Sometimes it's going to be so hard to do it. So hard to stick into your rules. Even if you know. But time by time making many different kind of mistakes, you'll be learning in all your losses and you will stop making those mistakes. And actually, those mistakes are going to be making you a profitable trader. So do not afraid of losing money. Do not afraid of starting trading. Just you need to know that it's a long-term business. It needs a very hard working. You need to be looking at charts. So at the beginning, sometimes you will have to look at your screen for an hours. But the good thing is that if you can stick into trading, if you give enough time, believe me that it will start paying off. But first, we need to know that we need some patience. We are not going to be using this platform as a quick making money. We are going to be trading against hedge funds, banks, and the best traders in the world. So we need to be aware of these things and be more careful. Otherwise, the market will kill you. So, what are my suggestions for the beginners? First of all, you will start learning the candlesticks, price action, market structure, time frames, support resistance. So my suggestions for the beginners is that start trading directly in your demo accounts. So you'll be gaining live trade experience. Try to watch different kind of people. Try to read some books. And you need to have an edge in the market to stay consistent. So these were the basic things that I could tell. So in today's video, I wanted to show you how the real things are actually working and what are the things that you need to start doing. So thank you for watching and see you in the other videos.